Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, chances are you own one of Torchit's incredible assistive devices, whether it's Saarthi, Jyoti, or both, and they've been helping you navigate life with independence and ease. But like any amazing gadget, these devices need a little TLC to keep them running smoothly and looking great. So today, we're diving into how to maintain and care for your Torchit devices. Let's get started. First things first, why is maintaining your Torchit device so important? Well, think of it like this. Whether it's your car, your phone, or even your favorite pair of shoes, regular care keeps things working efficiently and lasting longer. And with devices like Saarthi and Jyoti, maintenance ensures they're always ready to support you when you need them the most. Plus, let's be real, nobody likes surprises, especially when your device suddenly stops working because it wasn't cared for properly. Don't worry, though, I've got you covered with easy steps to keep your Torchit device in top shape. All right, let's talk daily care. Here are a few quick things you can do to ensure your device stays in great condition. Wipe it down. After using your device, take a soft, dry microfiber cloth and gently clean the surface. This removes dust, dirt, and any fingerprints that may have built up during the day. Avoid moisture. While Torchit devices are designed to handle everyday use, keeping them away from excessive moisture or water will prevent any internal damage. Handle with care. Whether it's Saarthi or Jyoti, always hold your device securely. Don't toss it in your bag without proper storage. More on that in a bit. Now, let's level up to your weekly maintenance routine. Think of it as a little self-care session for your device. Check the sensors. For devices like Saarthi, the sensors are critical for obstacle detection. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently clean around the sensors to ensure they stay clear of dirt or debris. Inspect for damage. Look for any scratches, cracks, or loose parts. If you notice anything unusual, reach out to Torchit's support team. They're super helpful and quick to assist. Clean the buttons. For devices like Jyoti, use a cotton swab slightly to clean around the buttons. This keeps them responsive and free of grime. Now let's talk storage. When you're not using your device, proper storage is key to keeping it safe and functional. Use a case or pouch. Protect your device from scratches and accidental damage by storing it in a padded case or pouch. Avoid extreme temperatures. Don't leave your device in places that are too hot or too cold, like a car on a sunny day or near a heater. Extreme temperatures can harm the electronics. Keep it organized. If you're traveling, store your device in a separate compartment in your bag to avoid it getting knocked around. Remember, it's always better to address small issues early before they turn into bigger problems. So there you have it, a complete guide to maintaining and caring for your Torchit devices. These tools are more than just gadgets. They're your partners in independence and confidence. By taking a little time to care for them, you're ensuring they'll always be there to support you whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Torchit devices. And hey, if you've got any care tips of your own, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Visit mytorchit.com to learn more about our innovative assistive devices.